This video will show you how to replace the shifter upper trim on a Smart 453 automatic. It should fit between 2016 and 2019. There's the part number. There's the package that came in. This will show you the number 3. It's part, that's the... And to get ready here, you put it in neutral. Put the parking brake on, of course. Then you're going to turn the upper trim like a quarter of a turn counterclockwise. Next, pull the knob off. Then you're going to get remove the console upper trim there. Kind of pry underneath, pop it up. And all the way around. Watch the ribbon cables, they're very short. Doesn't give you much room to work. And you have to remove the tabs on, show you a better angle here. There in the front. And then also in the back. Be careful, it's all plastic, easy to break. There's the ones in the back, one on each side. Then you remove that trim ring. There's a picture of it. Upside down, just to show you where it clips on. Now you're able just to remove the trim, upper trim, they call that piece. And it's a oval shape, it's not round. Here, I should probably show you better. There we go. Yep. Just redid it just to get a better show how it comes off. Now we're just going to repeat the process to put everything back together. Here's it, slid the new upper trim back on. Next, replace that around the trim ring that goes over top, snaps back into place. There, back into place. And you're going to replace the console lid, the top part. Like I say, watch those ribbon cables. I had it, actually the shifter indicator light cable came off. Had to redo that. And it was because the ribbon cable came off. Then you just push the knob back on. Not too bad, fairly simple process. And there it's the job's complete. Everything's done. Thanks for watching my video.